The education I'm getting at UB will help me expound on my experiences and also bring cutting-edge techniques to the work I do in the community. My name is Bruce James. I'm a first-year grad student at UB in my second semester. I'm currently a criminal justice law enforcement officer, and I've been in that position for 17 years. I chose the program at UB because of the rich history. When looking for different universities in the state of Maryland, I was really impressed with UB's program and wanted to be a part of something special. And several of my coworkers have received their undergraduate degrees from the UB. They gave rave reviews, and once I started to really learn about the programs, I was really impressed with not only the curriculum, but the professors as well.
So you can see whether that initiative worked.
One of the things that really impressed me about UB was the level of attention that's given by the professors to each student. There's always an open door policy, and the professors really encourage us to think outside the box and to really share our thoughts with the class, and that's really good for the learning environment. UB's Masters in Criminal Justice program will help me in my career as a law enforcement officer, not only because I'm learning different techniques and different ways of law enforcement practices in our country. It's teaching me to be more mindful of the community we serve and also be more knowledgeable about the work that we do.